Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Schoen, and I just wanted to share with you guys my experience, my story, launching my high ticket program with Parnell in the Organic Course Selling Mastery System. It's been an amazing journey. I have been looking for this for years. I've had a course out for the last few years. We teach people how to start and grow their home cleaning businesses. And we have a very successful home cleaning business in New Mexico. We're starting one in Texas, but we decided we got to share this out with the world and pull out this knowledge and replicate and duplicate myself somehow. So was looking for how to do this for years. The method we were using, just not selling high ticket and not doing it the way Carl teaches, was not working. And I had been advised by very many smart marketers and people in my life and mentors to go this route, to do the high ticket route. So I saw Carl's ad on YouTube one day and I really resonated with the model he was talking about. I was like, maybe this is the way to do it. And lo and behold, we took action. We invested in the program. Just over 8 weeks, we were able to revamp our whole system, our whole new course on the new platform that Carl teaches, add even more value to it to make it even better and just model that success. And so literally, guys, in the last 30 days, we've been able to generate $70,000, over $70,000, and it's still coming in. I just got off my calls. I got my Zoom still up here. I got my product page that I send people, and there's still sales coming in. There's still people like in the next day or two, just from the calls today, that are going to come back and work with us. So it's amazing. It's working. We very well could hit $100,000 in the next few days if we can just keep the momentum up. But it's possible, and I just want to share that with you guys. It's been an amazing journey. The course is awesome. Everything's laid out in a very easy to understand. It's very organized. This is my little notepad right here that I was building out as we were building the course, just taking my notes here to inspire me and to help me keep everything organized visually, so I could just look over at it as I was building it out. But I'm a busy guy, guys. I got 4 kids. I got a family. I have a main business, now 2 businesses, local businesses that I run. So I was doing this on top of all of that, and I'm still able to get it done and figure it out. And so there it is, guys. I mean, there's no excuses. We're living in the most amazing time in history, and there's knowledge everywhere. But if you can package up that knowledge you have and replicate yourself into a platform, into a course where you can share that and you can add value to way more people out there, this is the way to do it. Like I said, I've been looking for a long time. It's been incredible. The results we've had, over 70,000 in the first 30 days. So, and we're just getting going. We're still finishing up this month. So, here's to $100,000 months and beyond. That's all organic traffic. That's not even paid traffic. So, the sky's the limit. We're super excited. So hop inside Organic Course Selling Mastery, guys. You guys are going to be super impressed. It's amazing. And we'll see you guys on the inside.